To complete this project, you'll need a new Google Sheet, and you'll go to Extensions, point at GPT for Sheets and Docs, and click Enable GPT Functions. You'll also need a Google Doc so you can write out all of the variables and prompts and the formula, and then you can just copy and paste that information from the Google Doc into your Google Sheet. I'll share a link to this Google Doc in the comments. So starting from the top, I've got the formula, which we'll cover in a later video. Then we've got the three categories of variables: topic, argument type, and focus. Topic will go in cell A2, argument type will go in cell B2, and focus will go in cell C2. And I've matched these cell numbers with what I've got in the formula. If you're using different cell numbers in your formula, these variables will have, the cell numbers will have to match the cell numbers for the variables. These variables, topic, argument type, and focus, are also the column headers. For the topics, we'll write out each topic or proposition along with the prompt. And I want to write a rather restrictive prompt so GPT for Sheets doesn't overwhelm me with data. Plus, I want to do most of the debate prep on my own without depending on GPT for Sheets. The prompt is the same for every topic: 5 bullet points with 1 supporting detail per bullet point, 12 words max per supporting detail. Use an asterisk to start each bullet point. Each topic has 2 argument types, one in support and one in opposition, and each argument type includes a foundational reason for that argument. So for the argument or for the topic, should the voting age be lowered to 16, there are 2 argument types: support lowering voting age to instill civic responsibility. So instilling civic responsibility is the foundational reason, or oppose lowering voting age because of maturity and lack of background knowledge. So maturity and lack of background knowledge is the foundational reason. Finally, we've got the focus, and that's the theme you want to run through your argument. Each focus should be applicable to any of your topics. So my focus, my foci, are students' well-being, student safety, students' academic skills, and preparing students for adulthood.